everyone, in this video we'll show you how to automatically sync your Google Drive with your computer so that your files are always backed up and accessible even offline. So let's just get started. Head over to browser and you can start by downloading Google Drive. For that, search for Drive download, and once you find it up, look out for this official site, download Google Drive. And you should be finding this option, download Drive for desktop. Select it up and you can start downloading the file. So you can wait for some certain seconds for this file to be downloaded and open up the file location once it is done. Once it is done, you can look out for this file location and open it up, and you can start downloading or setting it up. Double click on it in order to install it, and you should be able to install it. So give access, and there we go. This window pops up on your screen. Look out for this option of adding application shortcut. Let's do that, and even adding shortcut to Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides, and click on install. Once it is done, you can just go ahead and wait for some certain seconds. And what you need to do is sign in with your Google account credentials. So I'll launch it up, click on launch. And once this is done, you may just go over and sign in with your Google account here. This page opens up, click on get started. After that, click on this option of sign in, or you can even create an account if not created. Select your account. After that, click on sign in, and you are successfully signed in into your Google Drive. So go over and close this up, and you can get back here, and you will be finding the Google Drive opening up on your screen just like this. Now what you need to do is, if you want to sync your files, all you gotta do is select the folder that you would like to sync. For example, if I would like to sync my documents folder, I'm just gonna select it, or you can select all as well. Even add up a folder and click on next. After that is done, click on got it, and once that is done, you can just go over and sync it. I'm just gonna skip it for now and click on next. After that is done, click on next once again, and you can make important files available for offline use. You can choose those files, click on open drive, and there we go. You'll be finding the sync being available. It has started to sync. You can just go and view all and start looking for this sync activity on your screen. And that is it. I'm just gonna pause this for now. And that is it. You can just go over and follow up this process for that if you want to sync it. That is pretty quick and easy. You just need to download up Drive for that. So everybody, you may follow this method for that. So do not forget to give this video a like, and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and also comment if the video was helpful to you.